I'm looking okay today. Listen, I really have to look nice. You know why? That's because we have hot and handsome Abhishek Kapoor coming onto the show. Hello, peeps. How are you all? I'm Preeti Gautam, your host, and I welcome you all on my show, Tea, Talk, and Theatre. So we have Abhishek Kapoor from Kundali Bhagya, who is coming to our show. He's playing a character of Sameer in a show. So are you all excited? Hold your breath as I call his name to be our guest. Hey Abhishek, I welcome you on my show. Okay, hi Abhishek, how are you?
What's up, Preeti? How are you? I'm good.
I'm
Good.
doing great. Absolutely perfect. And you look handsome as ever.
Thank you. Thank you. I
How?
wouldn't give you a Me Too compliment because that's always a Me Too thing. You also look very good always.
Oh really? That's a compliment. And
Yes, of course.
coming from you really means a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
So Abhishek, you're shooting for Kundli Bhagya, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so for how long have you been shooting for it?
It's been 3 years of my show. I joined the show on 22nd July 2017.
Okay.
So more than 3 years now.
Don't you get bored doing the same thing?
Not really, not bored. To be honest, I can say that some scenes maybe, which I find repetitive.
All right.
But otherwise, it's a great show. There is so much to do in the show, and the character graph is awesome. So you have a lot of things to do, and we do different things, in every sequence.
Oh, lovely.
So I don't get bored as such, but I keep doing other things also to keep myself entertained.
Okay.
So I don't think मैं bore होता हूँ. And touch wood, the show has given me everything. So I'm very
Yeah, you're
loyal to the
recognized.
show.
Absolutely. And how is it working with Ekta Kapoor?
Awesome, yeah. I think she is a super brain, mastermind,
Yes, she
and
is.
the kind of vision she has, it's amazing. The way she thinks and the way she puts things across is just amazing. And every actor, wants to work with Balaji. And
Absolutely.
it's a dream come true, and they treat their actors also very nicely.
Really?
So it's just, it's wonderful to be a part of that.
You will not believe, Abhishek. I have many friends, who are into similar industry, and they have been always scrimming about it that we have been treated bad, we are not taken care very well. So
In
that,
Balaji,
I don't know whether it's Balaji but yes, they are a serial actor, So I don't know which production house is that.
see, every production house is different. But if you talk to any actor who's worked with Balaji,
Yeah.
I don't think anyone would say that. Balaji is one of the best production houses of Indian television.
Alright.
And everybody, not our show only, but everybody since beginning, they treat the actors in very grand style.
Oh wow.
And it's said that once you're a Balaji hero or heroine, you are a star.
Yeah. That's true.
So, and the best part about that production house is that they rotate their actors,
Okay.
which is so wonderful because they keep coming up with so many shows, and
Yeah.
if they like a particular actor, they keep shuffling
So-
here and there, and
Right. Actor gets
opportunities
more.
are always there. So I don't know who you've spoken to,
I would not
but
like to take-
anyone, no,
Yeah.
no, it's okay, don't take it. But I'm just generally saying the people who are a part of Balaji,
Yeah.
I don't think they can say it. Ek other experience, here and there, you all have bad experiences
Yeah,
here and there.
right. Right.
But overall, in general, I think it's a beautiful franchise, and I think I'm very happy working with Balaji, and I'm sure everybody else is also happy.
Okay. So, Abhishek, it's been, honestly, it's been ages. I watched serial last. That's because I don't follow up. There's so much to...
That's absolutely cool.
So much to watch.
Yeah.
And also I'm into theatre. So I am more into plays and then, like similar stuff than actually watching screen. So, but I know when when I was watching, when I was regular to the shows, so there are few things which has to be there in Balaji. So black magic, murder, extramarital affairs, husband eyeing on 10 other females. Of course, listen.
extramarital affair तो हुआ ही नहीं है किसी शो में. I think एक ही शो में हुआ है extramarital affair बालाजी के shows में.
अच्छा, okay.
ऐसा हुआ नहीं है.
And वो एक लड़की जिससे प्यार करती है उससे शादी नहीं हो पाती, फिर कोई और आ जाता है. So these are like plus points. I'm not saying anything wrong about it, but people like to watch.
Yeah.
See, eventually people like to watch them. So if it's getting You know, if it's selling.
See, the audience is so huge. There are
Absolutely.
so many people in this world,
Yeah.
and everybody's choices will be different.
Right.
You know, some would like watching web, some would like watching film, some would, like theater, some just watch TV. So there's a mass and audience for every sort of genre,
Right.
So TV ki jo audience hai, it's a lot of people like it and they just get glued to the particular character. Probably they won't even know the real name.
True.
They'll probably know the character name
Character name.
and they'll relate everything to that character. So I think we are blessed with the brilliant audience, and the good part about television is that you are running thrice in a day, the repeat telecast also. You're always there. If a show is running
Yeah.
on your normal time, if my show is running at 9:30, the repeat will come again at 11:30. Then morning also, then afternoon also, evening also, then night also. So you're always in the face.
We keep watching you. And when do we work?
That is what we want. That is what any actor wants. That public should watch them only.
Right.
So and we try to do other things also so that we can give people different things also. Like I ventured in web also. I do a couple of ads also. I keep posting a lot of behind the stories also to keep my fans and people entertained.
Occupied.
So as an actor,
yeah,
you have to do different things. You have to try different things. So I take that risk and go ahead with all of it.
Right. How do you manage female fans? I'm sure you must be getting crazy fans writing continuously, religiously, and if you really want to.
They're very sweet. No. I don't ignore any of my fans.
Okay.
No, and touch wood, all my female and male fans, they're very sweet. They're very nice. They're not obsessed. They're not obsessed. They care. They're very cute and very sweet people. The amount of following I have right now, which I've observed.
Yeah.
This kind of following is very healthy. It's very nice, and I try to make a point to reply to them also in my comment section or anywhere, and I try to accept their DMs because they make such lovely collages, edits, the VMs and everything. And I personally believe that if a person is taking so much effort doing it, if the fans are taking so much effort to do it, you can be kind enough to reply to the right ones. There are people who write rubbish also, and the best is to ignore them. But 90% of the fans, they're very good. Yeah, they're very sweet and they write very cute stuff. So I don't think I have any problems with any of the female fans or male fans. They've not been very harsh on me or they've not been bullies or anything. They've been very kind. Yeah, they're very sweet people.
Okay.
So a TV ki audience वैसे भी simple होती है. It's a very simple audience.
Absolutely, they're very simple, sweet.
It's very simple, sweet people, and there's nothing very dramatic about it. Yeah, the cute messages, make me smile and all of that when I come live.
Yes, and also kali ki baat hai, Abhishek, I was watching something of yours where you were interacting with a very old person, old auntie, and you had a mic in your hand, and she asked.
Oh yeah.
That was pretty nice. I could not understand because I was in a hurry when I was watching. So I'll
tell you what that was. Yes. I had gone to Ludhiana. Through Z. This was last year, Z Rishte Awards. So we were just promoting it, and we were doing a live interaction with the people in that particular residence.
Okay.
It's a society थी वहाँ पे हम garden के अंदर बैठे हुए थे and we were just doing the one-on-one thing. So there's this old auntie who obviously was very sweet and she loves the show. So she was wanting to say something, so I went up to her and I said that what do you feel about the show? So मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि there are so many tracks going on in the show. So I was asking which one do you like? So I asked Karan and Preeta, you want them to get married? She's like yes. So she like send the villains away. You get married to Shrishti. So everything just revolves and it's so fascinating to just hear what they feel.
Yes.
How they relate to it and what they think because they are watching it. We don't even know who all are watching it or what is it, but when you go in front of them, the kind of happiness they get and the way they talk about the thing, they know every little information.
True.
And fans and people observe a lot. Their observation power is amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. So I mean, वो बड़ा cute moment था मेरे लिए भी to interact with all the lovely
Abhishek, which you missed. She said when you asked her that uska kya karunga, and she said, let her be at home, and then you something she said. I actually started laughing.
There are many characters in the show.
Achha.
Okay. So Karan, the main story revolves around Karan and Preeta.
Achha.
Okay. And so everybody wants them to get married. The other brother is Rishabh and he also loves Preeta. But he is unfortunately married to the negative lead.
Coming back to the same thing. Yahi hota hai. this is what I was saying, you know. One
But extra marital affair नहीं है ना यहाँ पे.
extra नहीं है, but you know, a female to whom she wants to get married, वो ऐसा होता नहीं है शादी वाले दिन.
But शादी हो गई ना. But शादी हो गई ना. शादी हो गई ना. हाँ, शादी कर ली. चोरी चोरी चुपके शादी करी, but कर ली उन लोगों ने शादी.
अच्छा, so it was not according to the consent, family consent.
नहीं, वो बहुत ही शादी का ट्रैक बहुत ही अभी फ्लिप चल रहा है.
अच्छा. Okay, this is what I.
So it is, हाँ, yeah. So उस टाइम पे नहीं हुई थी जब मैं गया था वहाँ पे.
अच्छा, okay.
जब मैं वहाँ पहुंचा तभी वो पूछी थी करण प्रीता का ब्याह होगा.
अच्छा,
तो
alright.
मैंने आप बताओ आप क्या चाहते हो, होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए. तो कह रही होना चाहिए तुम्हारा, फिर करवा देंगे. Because basically it is that story where the hero and the heroine has to meet.
Okay.
And everybody has their own part in that story.
Right.
I am you know, interested in the heroine's sister,
Okay.
who's also a heroine, you know. So we're three brothers, two sisters, and एक के बीच में love triangle था.
Alright.
मेरी heroine अभी तक मेरे साथ कैसा कोई love triangle नहीं है. So there's so much is happening. Then there are two negative leads also, three negative leads now. So आपको ऐसा समझ में नहीं आने वाला है, but there's a lot of cluster there. There's a lot of cluster there, and which needs to be solved eventually. And how it unfolds the story, even we don't know yet.
Yes, that's
so it's going to be interesting to find out. But the point of that conversation was to know what they like.
They like, absolutely.
You know, what they like. How are they seeing the show? What they like about us, or what they dislike about us? Because if you're a negative character, they hate you because you're doing negative. Not that you're bad in reality.
Abhishek,
they get a lot of bad messages. Any person who does negative roles,
right?
And they get.
Right.
But as an actor, that's a good thing. I feel that's a good thing for an actor.
Yes.
If people are hating you because of what you're doing, that is what you paid to do.
Right.
So I think, and a villain has a lot of layerings to his character. You know, he can play a lot.
Yes, he can actually show a lot to audience.
Lot.
Right.
Yeah.
So Abhishek,
पॉजिटिव लड़का, शरीफ लड़का, एकदम सिंपल सा होता है, स्माइल करता है, थोड़ा रोमांस करता है, you know. बट जो ग्रे शेड वाले कैरेक्टर होते हैं वो बहुत ही फ्लक्चुएट करते हैं.
Yes.
उसमें बहुत मजा आता है as an actor, I think.
So how many times have you already got married? I mean in serial.
I have not got married at all.
किसी सीरियल में भी नहीं.
नहीं.
अच्छा, okay, all right.
मैं अभी अपने जवानी में ही खेल रहा हूँ. अभी हम लोग 2 साल के बाद तो आई लव यू बोला था मैंने, वो भी अभी ढंग से हो नहीं रहा बिकॉज फैमिली में इतना प्रॉब्लम चल रही है अभी. सो हमारा ट्रैक अभी वहीं का वहीं है. बट वी हैव कन्फेस्ड दैट वी लाइक ईच अदर.
Okay, so as you mentioned, 2 साल से I love you, you know, like I took 2 years to say I love you. So real life में, how much time did it take, you know, to say I love you? Like if you ever.
To whom? I am single.
I don't know.
I am single since a long time.
I'm not saying you're not single, but you know, पहले.
कभी बोला था मैं? नहीं, मैं बड़ा expressive हूँ यार. If I feel something for someone. Be it anything, I express myself. You know, I don't hold back to things.
Okay.
And I feel communication is the best thing. If there's something in your heart, बोल देना चाहिए. You know, you never know.
Right.
My most concrete relationship has been from 2009 to 12, and I dated one girl for 3 years. So now 9 to 12.
I remember, of course, that's when we.
Of course, you know the person also.
And
so
you were
3 years.
You were an amazing. I have to complete this.
Yeah.
So,
thank you.
This is not I'm saying that's because you know I'm interacting with you on a show. You were an amazing guy to be as a boyfriend or as a partner. You know. So.
No, I mean I tried my best in that relationship, and unfortunately it didn't turn out to be the same way.
Waiting for you.
Yeah. It's now 8 years back.
Yeah. 8
But that was the longest relationship I've been in so far.
Yeah.
And you know, I don't believe in half-hearted things. The day I feel something very strongly for someone, I'll probably just fix myself in one position and say that I'm done now. So in searching, but you know, these things cannot be planned. I think, you know, these things, there is no fixed time for it. There is no you know, fixed policy or this thing that, you know, कि ऐसे करोगे तो ऐसा ही होगा.
Right.
It just happens on its own and you don't get to know. So I mean, whenever it happens, I will openly tell everybody. I don't want to hide anything. I'm not chupa Rustam sort of a thing.
All the female fans. Abhishek is single, and he's.
Yeah, everybody knows. they maximum assume that I'm dating my co-actor, which was wrong. You know, everybody, because she's my closest person, and you know, we post a lot of cute pictures also. So, and we are, you know, each other's love interest in the show. So people think that, you know, in real life also we are dating.
Okay.
So that had to be cleared. That that is not the case.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because then women stop hitting on you, thinking that you're already with someone.
This is what I'm saying.
You know, yeah, it does. It does affect your personal life.
Amazing guy to be as a boyfriend and as a partner. So all the girls can get in touch with Abhishek. So
the right girl get in touch with me. Whoever is right. Not all girls.
ये भी एक debatable topic है, पता है Abhishek? Your right might not be right according to me. We all have different.
मेरे लिए right जो मेरे लिए right हो वो है मेरे लिए. कहने का मतलब जो मेरे लिए right हो.
List देनी पड़ेगी. You have to
give. कोई definition नहीं है. वो अपने आप God will I think you know sort it out for me when the time is right.
That's true.
अभी कह रहे हैं वो खेलो कूदो enjoy करो.
True, I know.
काम करो. Single life enjoy करो.
You know, like you both can.
अभी मतलब वो single life different होती नहीं, वो फिर different type of enjoyment होगी ना. अभी different type of enjoyment है. उसमें boundaries different होती हैं. Every phase in your life is different. It can't be the same.
Absolutely.
You know, your priorities also change and your thinking change. What I was when I was in that relationship, I wouldn't be the same anymore like that.
Yeah.
You know, so वो एक immature लड़का होता है, फिर you know you mature with time and you see a lot of things and you behave also differently.
Yeah.
Your needs are also different.
Different.
So all of these things I think changes with time and no person is the same throughout his or her life, I think.
Absolutely. So Abhishek, you know, if you would like to go for a love marriage, intercaste or interreligion or whatever, your parents would support you? You have a kind of family who...
They are super cool.
Okay.
See, I'm from Hindu family. But there is no guarantee that if I marry a Hindu girl, my marriage would be amazing.
Yes.
I can be married to a Muslim girl and my marriage could be the best. So there is no fixed thing, and my parents are very cool with anything.
That I know.
The girl just has to be nice and caring, and the partner should be loving and honest. I think religion ये सब बहुत बकवास चीजें होती हैं. I think.
So true.
ये बहुत old school और बहुत ही I find this very irritating rather. कि जो आजकल भी जो लोग जो कास्ट को लेके मैच करते हैं ना, और जो मेरे को बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है.
बना देते हैं.
I just feel that this should change. I just feel this should change.
This will change.
There is no Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. I hope. It's not. There has been a change. Yeah, there has been a good change from say 20 years back.
Yeah.
But I still feel somewhat, you know, there is this caste issue. थोड़ा बहुत कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी exist करता है.
Education है. Abhishek, just then we all will be educated. You know, this thing would slowly.
So for that to happen, it will take so long. There has to be a process to it. It will not happen overnight.
It will take many decades, actually.
Yeah. So let's hope for the best.
Yeah. Abhishek, Delhi girl or a Bombay girl? Whom do you prefer more?
Any girl. ये again ये तो वही religion वाली बात हो गई कि हिंदू girl है मुस्लिम girl.
No.
Delhi girl, Mumbai girl क्या होता है?
Of course. You know, they have a different thought process.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये भी बहुत debatable topic है. ये जो दिल्ली बॉम्बे वाला टॉपिक है ना, मैं इससे भी बहुत परेशान हूँ, क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली से ही बिलोंग करता हूँ. मैंने बहुत साल दिल्ली बताए और मैं 6 साल से बॉम्बे में, तो मैंने बॉम्बे की लाइफस्टाइल देखी है. हाँ, कुछ चीजें हैं जो दिल्ली में होती हैं, कुछ चीजें हैं जो बॉम्बे का फायदा है. एवरी सिटी हैज इट्स ओन प्लस एंड नेगेटिव्स, you know, so you have to behave accordingly. Like there are a lot of things like, you know, but ठीक है, दिल्ली गर्ल और गर्ल के मामले में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कोलकाता की भी तो हो सकती है, हिमाचल की भी हो सकती है.
I don't think so.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया की भी हो सकती है. क्यों? हिमाचल की लड़कियां बहुत सुंदर होती हैं and they are so simple and sweet.
हाँ, they are. So you are dating.
पहाड़, they are. I'm single. I just said.
Okay, all right. So in fact,
मतलब एक एरिया बता रहा हूँ
कि
मतलब कहीं से भी हो सकती है.
Yes. So in fact, Bombay में mostly Delhi की girls हैं जो acting में, they are a part of
North बहुत dominating है.
Absolutely. That is
yeah.
right. So Abhishek, you're shooting right now in pandemic, right?
Yeah. It's been 4 months I've been shooting. In fact, after this interview, I'm just going on set only.
Okay, all right. So you know, is it the same like before?
No, yeah, no. It's not the same. Life has changed. No.
Why?
It's very difficult.
Okay, difficult in what?
See, you're always wearing a mask, firstly.
Okay.
You know, and the thought process, you are shooting with about 70 people,
Yes.
and
That's right.
you have to be extra careful about things, what you touch,
Yeah.
what you do, because in television, if you're romancing, there is no way you're not touching. You know, if you're holding your heroine and everything,
Yeah.
and you know, it's just been and if you follow the news, there's so many actors who are getting COVID, so
Yeah.
many actors, and
Very.
I feel really sad when I read it,
But you
because
know,
it's a weird sort of a thing.
lekin nahi, Abhishek, I think, you know, eventually this will come to all of us because I have a lot of doctors friends, you know, on a very higher level. So COVID would be like any other flu. It is not life threatening. I think people have really taken.
But the problem with this virus is that you have to be in quarantine for at least 10 to 15 days. You can't touch anything. It's
Yeah.
not like a normal flu where you're just roaming around. You're just in one room stuck, and you know, people with severe problems, they are hospitalized, and so many people have passed away also
I know, yeah.
because of this. So, you know, I'm not taking it lightly at all. I'm not taking lightly at all. I'm just, you know, I'm aware of what COVID is,
Yes.
but there is no guarantee कि कैसे होगा. It can just be, it can happen to you through one person also. If you're
Absolutely.
sitting with just one person and you can get it, if you're lucky, you can be sitting with 20 people and not get it. So there is no fixed thing that how you will get it.
True.
And but for me, I was always willing to take a risk at work because working is very important. And I told
Okay,
myself that,
very,
you know, I just pray to God,
Yeah.
go on set, I work, I come back, I shower, I take all the protocols, and I take all the measures. Rest ab jo hai wo hai, you know, you can't.
Exactly. Absolutely.
Yeah. So all aa gaya.
So Abhishek, do you go to gym?
Where did you go?
Did you? I'm
Where
here.
did you go?
I'm here.
One second. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Did you? Do you go to gym?
Right now, no, yeah, no gyms are open here.
Acha, no gym.
No, I just do my running. I don't think so. They're open officially.
Delhi they have.
And
In Delhi they have.
but I've got my weights at home. I do free. Yeah, I've got my weights at home. I do my push-ups and sit-ups, and I go for a run in my building.
Okay.
So I like playing sports. You know, like I don't like the typical gym routine, but I
Right.
love playing sports. I love doing different things. I love running. You know, all the free weights and
Outdoor
that kind of stuff. I'm
Yeah.
an outdoor person. I can't run on the treadmill. I feel that, you know, someone is holding me. I feel like I'm in some cage. You know, so I just like to be free.
Free. So Abhishek, not many people know that you were, you know, you were a great. Or I don't know whether you still play or not, but you were a great cricketer. So you know, if you had to choose between playing cricket on a international level, or you know, or maybe represent country, or being an actor, what would have been your first preference?
My first preference was always cricket here because I played for Delhi for 7 years, and the idea was to play for the country.
Okay.
But yeah, it didn't work out for me. I maybe wasn't good enough to play for the country. I don't know what to say to it.
Yeah.
But I gave my best. I tried hard, and I played for 14 years.
Oh,
From
wonderful.
90, yeah, I played for 14 years, out of which 7 years I played professionally for Delhi. I also captained for Delhi in 2010.
Oh, really?
But
I don't know.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, you know, sometimes good things come to an end, and God has, you know, better plans for you. And maybe, you know, I never planned to be an actor, never. I was just modeling in Delhi
So
for
how
the
did
heck
it
of it.
happen? Like, how did you get into
It's a long story, but in short, I'll just say that, you know, I was modeling in Delhi
Yeah.
and everything, you know, and in fact, when I broke up in 2012,
Yeah.
that is the first time I ventured to go to Bombay just to see how the ad market is, because that time Delhi didn't have many TV ads.
This happened
Yeah,
for
yeah.
a good reason.
Yeah. I was a free bird now after that.
Yes.
So I was like, yeah, so I just went out, you know, because I wanted to just, you know, freshen up my mind and everything.
Yeah.
So I went to Bombay and I explored the market, and, you know, I got a couple of ads also, and I wanted to do TV ads and all of these, because in Delhi there were no TV ads that time.
Absolutely.
Very rarely. There were
Even
photo
now,
shoots and ramp and all, which नहीं अब तो Delhi market has been great. Delhi में film shoot हो रही हैं, so much theater work and web and serials.
Primary part nahi.
Yeah, but that time though, there was next to zero. That was next to zero that time.
Yeah.
So I just went to Bombay, and then, you know, I was modeling, playing cricket. Then 2014, when I decided to quit cricket professionally, that is when I packed my bags and I said I'm going to Bombay to become an actor.
Oh,
So 2014, April, I think I shifted to Bombay, and it's been 6 years now.
And things have been really wonderful.
So वहाँ से journey शुरू हुई. No, not really. Oh, I've had a very difficult first 3 years.
Achha.
It wasn't easy for me at all. But 2017 onwards, this show has given me everything here. I mean, Kundli Bhagya, since the time I'm doing Kundli Bhagya, things have changed for the good.
Okay.
Before that, I did work, but it wasn't very concrete, or it wasn't very, great or anything like that. But yeah, it was great for me at that time just to be working and learning and improving your skill, improving the craft. Because I feel that, I am one person, if I don't do it, I can't learn it.
Absolutely.
I can't do theory, but
Yeah.
I'm a practical person. Like, I want to do things and then understand. Because if I'm auditioning right now, you and me are talking. There's no third person. Suddenly you get a third person. Your the way of talking changes. You get 5 more people. Your way of everything happens. So when you have to perform on set in front of 100 people, that is a complete different pressure. एक आदमी से आप बात में acting कर रहे हो room के अंदर बैठे बैठे, that's a very different thing. But when you have to go on set, memorize, and I thought TV acting is going to be very easy. It is one heck of a job, yaar. I mean, I have so much respect for all my colleagues and the other actors. And when people say, "Na, your life is so brilliant, तुम लोग तो बहुत मजे करते हो," they don't know how much hard work it goes.
Hard goes into it. Absolutely.
How much light we face and how much pressure there is and what all we do. If they come and see the shooting for 12 hours one day, how we shoot. It's not easy. By the time I come home, I'm drained. Not only me, but other actors also. If you talk to them, we get drained mentally and, like, oh, long day. Because you're always, sometimes you have to perform a very different scene, difficult scene, crying scene, fighting scene. Your mind takes a toll, so you want to just unwind in your own way.
Right.
A lot of things are there, but it's not an easy job to do.
Did you do theatre before getting into it?
No, yeah, I didn't do theatre because I told you I never planned to become an actor.
Yeah.
So वो मैंने coaching जो सारी लिए. No, I did my workshops. I did a workshop with Neeraj Kapi sir. Yeah, I did a couple of workshops.
Okay.
So, but I feel यार acting ऐसे सिखाई नहीं जा सकती है. कुछ चीजें आप सीख सकते हो, but I feel कि I don't know, this is a debatable thing. सबका अपना opinion होगा, but ऐसे कोई बताए और करने से होता नहीं है. करते रहो, सीखते रहो, देखते रहो. Keep observing an actor. But I picked up certain things from the workshop, which was a good lesson sir said. So वो चीजें मैं अपने दिमाग में कभी-कभी रखता हूँ. तो it's a debatable thing. 50% things, work according to you. And sir also says, any teacher also says that we will tell you 10 things differently. You do whatever is suitable to your style.
Absolutely.
That's the point. और सही गलत का कौन डिसाइड करता है, कौन सही है, कौन बोल सकता है कि ये सही एक्टिंग है, गलत एक्टिंग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. The audience has to feel it. There's no
Absolutely. Audience have to like
it. So वो ही एक चीज है, कर करके इंसान सीखता है, different scenes every day जाके सीखता है, and सीखना सबसे जरूरी है. I always tell fans and I always tell any newcomer that have the urge to learn. Don't think you know everything.
Yeah.
The day you start thinking you know everything, you're gone.
You're gone. Absolutely.
You're finished. You finished.
True.
So ये lesson मैंने cricket से सीखा. जो cricket है, cricket में जो मेरे failure, success, ups and downs थे, sports is something जो हर किसी को खेलना चाहिए. चाहे professionally, not professionally, किसी को भी कुछ sporting. Everyone should be involved in some sporting activity.
Right.
Be it anything, be it gymnastics also, basketball, table tennis, hockey, football, any sport. I can play all sports. The only thing I don't know how to do is horse riding, which I want to learn.
Me too.
Rest you make me play kho-kho, kabaddi, hockey, table tennis, tennis, anything, swimming, anything you make me do, I'll play. Baseball also I can play, but I can't do horse riding, जो मुझे सीखनी चाहिए as an actor.
You should, but you still have.
But मैं यही बोलूँगा through this interview that it's very important to be a part of some sports. Because जो competition की feeling आती है उससे, and to have the sportsman spirit also, discipline is very important. Waking up on time, sleeping on time.
You're stealing my words. Absolutely, you're stealing my words.
So I feel,
even now when we decided that we'll meet at 1 p.m. So, and you wrote to me at 12:55, Preeti, I'm ready. I was so impressed. So I come from a sports background too. I was a national level swimmer. I have always been on time, no matter, even for client meetings, आपको तो पता है modeling में वो 4 पहले बुला लेंगे, meeting होगी 5
या मैंने भी, हम सबने देखा है वहाँ पे बहुत struggle modeling का Delhi का situation जो था.
So crazy, and I would get pissed. I would get irritated,
We all, yeah.
so
This
unprofessional.
is something which needs to change. This is
Yeah.
something which definitely needs to change everywhere.
Right.
And punctuality is something which is very important. You know, you should not waste each other's time. I hate waiting personally.
Me
कहते
too.
हैं कि आप वो चीजें मत करो जो आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं. I hate waiting. I
Same.
just hate waiting for someone.
Same parking my car. I
मतलब अगर आपने
someone else park their
I fight with my friends also.
Right. True.
This is something which irritates the hell out of me.
Yeah.
That if you're saying 1 o'clock, one can be 1:05, 1:10, but not 1:45.
True. I agree.
So it's so irritating to just come. And sometimes this happens on set also, that when you're there, you reach on time and you have to wait 5 hours for your shot to happen.
Oh my God, really?
So these things also, these things also happen at times. कभी-कभी चीजें, ऊपर नीचे हो जाती हैं. Not, they don't do it purposely or intentionally, but sometimes, every day is so hectic for everybody.
Everyone.
If you come on a set or any TV set, you'll always see so much of hustle bustle,
Okay.
jaldi, you have so much work to cover in one day. And then sometimes किसी की costume का problem हो गया, hair का problem हो गया, कुछ हो गया, कुछ prop नहीं आया. So these things really happen, and everybody is on the edge of their mind at that time, because you have to concentrate, you have to focus.
Right.
So there are a lot of things which take a toll. But yeah, coming back to the original point, punctuality is something which is
It's
very important. And I feel कि यार punctual होना चाहिए, काम नहीं रुकना चाहिए.
True. And Abhishek, this is what you see yourself doing for, no,
See, I'm a bad planner.
Achha,
I'm a bad planner. Like, I never planned to act. I'm here acting. I never planned to leave cricket. It happened. So maybe I'm a bad planner, or whatever. But what I'm doing these days is just taking one day at a time.
I think that's
Just
better.
focusing on the current job, and because in our profession you don't know what opportunity you get next.
It's
You can get one call or one audition, and you might just break into it, and suddenly the life changes from there.
right.
Even better, this is for Kundli Bhagya. I didn't plan to do Kundli Bhagya. It just suddenly came to me, and I didn't know it's going to be the #1 show of Indian television since 2.5 years. The show has been #1
Oh wow.
for 2.5 years.
Oh,
Yeah,
lovely.
it's never gone down. It's never gone down in under top 5 of all the shows on every channel.
Okay. Oh, lovely.
So we're so blessed, and coincidentally, the show is running in like about 7-8 different countries also. Indonesia, Ghana, South Africa, Egypt, Dubai, so many countries, and the kind of messages you get from there, Nigeria, it's just so amazing. It's just so amazing, and right now, unfortunately, traveling is completely zero. But when you go out and when you go for events and when you see,
I know.
they are crazy.
Yes, a lot of Indian actors go to Indonesia for their performances.
Indonesia market is very good, and our show was running in Indonesia. We were supposed to go also,
Yeah.
but I couldn't go that time. Few actors went the next month,
Okay.
but that opportunity got missed. But they are amazing people. They give Indian actors so much love, especially Indonesian people.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Amazing.
It's
So,
just amazing.
Abhishek, I'm sure आपको भी लगता होगा, it's a very normal feeling. कई बार होता है ना, when we see someone on screen doing a very good character or a role, but we feel कि we're better than them. यार हमें क्यों नहीं मिला? We could have done better job, and something nice in our kitty is not coming. So it has ever happened with you, or you ever felt it?
ये दो चीजें हैं. जो पहली बात आपने बोली कि किसी को देख के लगता है कि हम बेटर कर सकते हैं,
हाँ.
या कुछ और something is not coming in my kitty.
Yeah.
तो पहला वाला क्वेश्चन का मैं यही बोलूंगा that since the time I started acting,
Yeah.
I've stopped judging people.
अच्छा, okay.
कि कौन अच्छा है कौन बुरा है, ये सब मैं सोचता ही नहीं हूँ, because सब इतनी मेहनत कर रहे होते हैं. कोई
Yeah.
मेरे लिए भी देख के बोलता होगा ये तो बेकार एक्टर है, कोई देख के बोलता होगा ये बड़ा अच्छा एक्टर है, कोई बोलता है ठीक है. So सबका अपना ओपिनियन होगा, सबका अपना एक ओपिनियन होता है. बट मैं वो जजमेंट वाला जो क्राइटेरिया ना वो अपनी लाइफ से हटा दिया है.
Oh, that's
Coming back to the second thing,
yeah.
I have certain things where I want to do. Like, my dream role is to become to play a cricketer in
Oh,
some film or
wow.
some show.
Achha.
So that is my dream role, and I'll make that happen.
Oh,
Within the next 3 years, it's going to happen.
Okay.
I promise you on this interview that something like this is going to happen.
Oh,
I don't know what. It could be television, it could be a film, it could be short film, it could be anything, but this will happen. You will see me playing a cricketer's role. That's my dream role.
I would
So
love
मुझे वो करना है.
Okay.
Like, when I saw films like I Poche and all, I was like, यार ऐसी films में होना है. Cricket के ऊपर जो है, like वैसी films में होना है.
Yeah.
And so देखते हैं कभी क्या opportunity आती है. You
I'm
never
sure
know.
it'll gonna come to you much sooner than what you're expecting. So Abhishek, you
Yeah,
keep
I'm just.
Delhi, Bombay.
I used to, but this year has just been so bad in terms of traveling that I've not been able to come to Delhi.
Okay.
So it's been quite long since I last visited Delhi. But yeah, my family comes here, especially during Ganpati.
Okay, so they come
And
and
this
stay.
time, yeah, this year it was very low key because no one could travel.
Yeah.
So it wasn't celebrated the way it is celebrated every year.
Okay.
Every festival, be it any festival,
Yeah.
nobody could celebrate this year.
Anything, yeah.
But yeah, they keep coming for 2 days. You know, and you, with the TV thing, you know, you can't take 10 days off in a row.
Right.
2 days, 3 days. So I just feel कि यार 2 दिन दिल्ली जाऊं क्या? 2 दिन दिल्ली जाऊं तो मेरे को बड़ा वो होता है कि यार एटलीस्ट 7 दिन तो मिले दिल्ली जाने के लिए because there is so much to do in Delhi. I love Delhi.
Yeah.
All my
I
friends,
love
my
Delhi,
schooling,
Yeah.
my you know everybody, my family. I was in Modern Barakhamba.
You were in Modern Barakhamba. Okay, I have many friends.
Yes,
Okay.
I was 2006 batch.
Acha.
So yeah. So schooling, everything, cricket, all the food. यार I miss
Oh,
दिल्ली का खाना.
yes.
बॉम्बे में वो नॉर्थ इंडियन खाना नहीं मिलता. मैं तो पंजाबी हूँ, मुझे तो
वहाँ के
इंडियन खाने का
जो
बहुत शौक है.
भी होते हैं ना, वो so artificial man, वो छोले वोले. Oh, I really miss when
बॉम्बे में चलो मैं अब तो चलो फिर कुछ जगहें खुल गई हैं बॉम्बे में जो बहुत अच्छी हैं. बट सिर्फ बटर चिकन और नॉर्थ इंडियन खाना की बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. आई फील ये हर कोई कंप्लेन करेगा.
Okay.
तो कुछ फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं मेरे दिल्ली में. लाइक आई लव गोइंग टू मोती महल एंड हैविंग बटर चिकन. आई लव बिग चिल,
Big
chole
chill.
bhature. You know, all the big chill is. I don't know why there is no big chill sort of place in
Bombay.
Bombay. I fail to understand.
Yeah.
But I wish they open some place like this here. So
Right.
Delhi भी बहुत चीजें होती है करने के लिए. टाइम ऐसे ही निकल जाता है. You know, मतलब कब 2 दिन निकले तो
I
it's too
remember
less for come.
एक actor था, you know, who was not getting leave even to get married. He had to travel to get married. So he literally decided, you know, कि किस दिन मुझे छुट्टी मिल जाएगी, and he gave it to Pandit. You know, there are families where they would go to Pandit and they would want to Pandit to take out an auspicious day. So apparently, वो dates में से कोई भी Pandit, he said that these are not good dates. You would not believe he bribed Pandit. Okay, he said, "You will tell my parents these are the best dates." So he, you know, that's how he.
भाई साहब को उसको जल्दी होगी शादी करने की.
Hey, are you mad? It was an arranged marriage. It was an arranged marriage, and this was like getting postponed for past 1 year. He said, "If I."
तभी तो कह रहा हूँ उसको अब जल्दी होगी ना कि 1 साल हो गया कि मैं कर लेता हूँ यार.
Absolutely. So you know, so that's also like being an actor. You really have to be, you know, on your toes all the time and manage everything according to your schedule, right?
Yeah, it is. Everything, that's life, yeah. You gotta balance it well. You can't, anything in excess is wrong, I think.
Yeah.
Balance करना चाहिए. कभी-कभी हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा काम में घुस जाते हैं कि काम, we forget the other pleasures of life.
Yeah.
So what I've changed in my thing is, the first 2 years of Kundli Bhagya, I was just into work.
Okay.
Just work. I had completely cut my personal and social life. But what I changed in the third year is that, you know, I felt that, you know, I'm missing out on a lot of things. And I think I should balance it well.
Okay.
I should balance it. I should give time to friends. I should, you know, look at my personal life.
Yeah.
I should do other things also. So I try to balance it in more than physically, mentally. Because, you know, I get very tired here after 12 hours of shoot. I'm being very honest about it. So, you know,
एक जब आप आते हो, मतलब, you know, when you have shift like 12 to 13 hours and you come back home, don't you feel lonely? Because, you know, I think that's
I do. That's what I said. I should focus on my personal life, and having a partner is also very good.
Absolutely.
But just for the lone, it said that never love when you're lonely. Always love when you're ready. You know, so loneliness में वो कभी होगा नहीं. वो सिर्फ अपनी cravings पूरे करने के लिए हो जाएगा फिर. You know कि just for the heck of it. That won't be real, I think. Just because you are lonely, you feel कि यार you're lonely. So वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Like I just mentioned in the beginning of the conversation that it can just happen at any time.
Yeah.
There is no. You might just meet a person and look at her and she looks at you. You start talking and it just happens.
But you know, so you know, I'm sure all the actors have great fan following. But when they get into a relationship, you know, especially a person who's not from the same industry, you know, the fear would always be there in the girl's mind कि you know
यार ये बहुत ही डिबेटेबल चीज है जो मैं भी सोचता हूँ. मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार if I was not an actor,
क्या कर रहे हो, कितने बजे आओगे, you know, and कोई
even it's not even about that. You know, some girls would be very uncomfortable if me being a guy, if I was not an actor, and if my girlfriend or my future wife is an actor and she's romancing on screen, you know, so sometimes it might pinch you.
yes,
But I mean, again, it's very it depends on individual to individual. I've seen certain couples having brilliant trust in each other,
yeah,
and they are very very supportive. Some people I've seen they're not comfortable with a lot of things.
yes.
So again, I mean, you know, you need to find it because I will not leave my work at any cost.
But of course,
You know,
it should not.
it is individually, and then but I can't tell my whoever my girlfriend or wife would be, you have to function according to me only. I will tell her this is what I am, this is what I do. Are you comfortable with my lifestyle? This is the way I will ask her. You know, I will not force my thing on her that I am this, you have to follow. It's not you have to. Would you like to follow?
Yes.
You know, would you like to do that? So then I will give her the choice rather than just giving stamping my authority on her ki bhai tumko aise karna hai. Aisa nahi hona chahiye. It has to be very mutual. It has to be, and I would love my partner also to work here. I get very attracted to hardworking people, and self-made girls are a form of attraction for me. So वो भी अपना काम करे, मैं भी अपना काम करूँ. You have to go. You have to grow together. That is what a relationship is. Growing together, and it's a lot of efforts, yeah.
Lot of efforts, and what you mentioned that you know, तू भी अपना काम, मैं भी अपना काम. I think both the partners should be working. जब आप खाली होते हैं ना, when you're like,
I will never stop her from doing anything.
And that's where the issue arises. And your friend circle.
But अब के टाइम में change हो गया है. अब के टाइम में अच्छा हो गया. पहले ऐसा होता नहीं था.
हाँ, true, right.
People progressed in their thoughts, which is a good thing.
Which is a good thing, right?
But yeah, which is a good thing. ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं चाहिए कि लड़की को घर बिठा दो और मतलब आप ही सारा करते रहो. If a girl wants to achieve her dreams,
True.
I think we shouldn't stop.
You shouldn't stop.
But हाँ, कुछ चीजें होती हैं, you know, the distance, like long distance is something I can't do.
I think it's not workable.
I will not.
Even
I cannot do it. I have never done it. I have never done it. I will not do it. It's something I can't, like, you know, think of a Delhi girl right now.
Right.
Because I will stay in Bombay.
True. Absolutely.
I'm in Bombay. How do I even meet a Delhi girl right now? You know, so I don't know.
And वो पूरा time phone पे लड़ा.
And I can't be selfish enough to tell her I can't do phone calls. I can't do phone calls. I will not do all of that.
Zoom calls. Video calls.
Video call is fine, but again, you know, I would want my partner to be with me. Why should I do long distance?
True. Absolutely.
What is the point of long distance? Long distance might happen, like, you know, if you're already together for 2 years or some time, and then you move to a different place for some time, that is still manageable.
Yeah.
Like, you know, 2 years I'm seeing someone, 6 months she does a course outside and I'm outside, I've gone for a shoot. That is still manageable. But starting a relationship long distance, I don't know. I don't know. Never say never, but I don't think I'll be able to do it.
I think most of them, you know, it doesn't really work out.
मैंने पता नहीं है, कई लोगों का मैंने देखा है, लोगों ने फेसबुक से बातें करके कपल हो गया, लोग डेटिंग ऐप से अच्छे रिलेशनशिप्स में आए. अगेन
डेटिंग ऐप,
या बट कई मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, बट बहुत अच्छे रिलेशनशिप्स में यार, वेरी जेन्युइन एंड वेरी लविंग.
So dating
So again, there is nothing wrong in dating apps, I feel.
Wow, अच्छा, I have explored. मैंने कभी matrimonial इतना shoot करा है, you will not believe. जीवन साथी में my photo would be there. People would come. तेरे शादी.com में भी देखा, जीवन साथी में भी देखा. But I somehow could never imagine at least myself, getting.
Fair enough. Like, सबका अपना एक thought process होता है. आप किस तरह behave करते हो, कहाँ पर वहाँ पर, वो matter करता है. You should not be sleazy. You should not be like desperate. You should not say wrong things. You know,
True.
There has to be a way. If you find a girl cute, like if today I am just working in TV, I'm just doing my show, I'm meeting the same people every day for 3 years. How do I meet new people? Hypothetically.
True.
How does it? Through Instagram? What is it? So there is no fixed formula, I think, for love. I think it can happen anywhere, anytime, any place. So I've kept myself open for everything with the thoughts. I have not restricted my thoughts. But certain things I know for myself which I don't want to do. And सबके अपनी likes और dislikes होती हैं partner के लिए भी.
Yes.
So वो चीजें अपने दिमाग में रखता हूँ, और if I happen to meet someone like that and I relate, then I don't there is no harm in committing. But just for the heck of it, I don't think I won't do it. I would do it anymore.
So next time when we'll see each other on Zoom, Kapoor Sahab would be, Kapoor Sahab and wife would be coming together. I really liked.
Wife is
No, or maybe
wife तो अभी
partner.
नहीं
A partner, मतलब whatever.
होगी तो को पता लग ही जाएगा.
Of course.
अगर ऐसा कुछ भी होगा तो पता लग जाएगा.
Right. And we pray. I really want from deep of my heart that you should get a wonderful girl as a partner or as a girlfriend, because you are an amazing partner.
Thank you.
Personally. So you
Thank
would
you.
like to say anything to people who are watching you? Anything, they like how they
Yeah,
should.
I always give a very the same sort of message that be good, be kind,
Yes.
be a good person, which is very important.
Very important.
Identify your team, grow with your team, don't be selfish. Growing with your team is very important, I feel.
Yeah.
Improve your craft, work on your skill, and and for the fans who are watching, just keep supporting me, just keep loving me as Sameer and Abhishek, and I promise to keep entertaining you, and I try my best to do to entertain you guys and try to talk to you. So that's it.
Yeah. And Abhishek, जो आपके messages होते हैं fans के, वो आप खुद reply करते हो? You have a team who.
मैं खुद करता हूँ. No team.
Want to tell
I have
people, yes.
I have till date not kept a PR.
Oh, lovely.
I have always managed from my modeling days. I remember.
Yeah.
So till now, there has been no PR person I've hired.
Oh, you have been on your own
Yeah.
messaging and everything.
Yeah, everything. The fans, I only reply. Why would I ask anyone to use my Instagram? No, I won't do that. Firstly,
People who have a team.
They do.
Their messages. Yeah.
Some people are not social media friendly.
Yeah.
I have grown myself through social media also.
Yeah.
And social media gives you a lot of business also, and it's a very nice platform if you use it properly. It's a very nice platform to interact the right way and put across a message also.
Right.
So people who are just doing time pass on social media, उनको जो करना है करें. But I use my social media in a lot of way for entertainment also. Sometimes I'll just put rubbish just to make people laugh, a funny meme or a funny video. Sometimes you will see a very nice quote which might be going on in my head, or which I feel should people should read.
Yeah.
I post my shoot pictures. I post sports videos. So it's a balance of my thing. It won't be the same thing. I post pictures with my friends also, family also.
Oh, lovely.
So some things about the past also. So मतलब मैं कुछ ना कुछ try करता हूँ कि audience जो है engaged रहे, entertained रहे, और honesty से मैं चीजें डालता हूँ जो मैं feel करता हूँ, मैं डाल देता हूँ.
And they should have.
It's good to express.
About you. They should not feel that, it's like a made-up image for people. Whatever you.
Image, यार. See, image एक ऐसी चीज है कि इस इंटरव्यू के बाद आप मेरे बारे में कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. I can't stop you.
Right.
And everybody will have their own way of thinking about you.
Yeah.
कई लोग, अब एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मैंने अभी एक सैनिटरी पैड्स के लिए कैंपेन किया.
मैंने देखा था कल. मैंने पूरा नहीं देखा.
ठीक है. कोई बात. मैंने वो एक अच्छे जेस्चर के लिए किया और 90% लोगों को वो अच्छा लगा. 10% की जनता कुछ पागल भी हैं जो अजीब अजीब बातें करते हैं. So I just feel I usually don't reply to dirty comments, but this time I was so angry. I was very angry. I was like, what are you people on? What are you people taking in your life?
Yeah.
Read what I've written, see what I'm doing.
Absolutely.
Our mothers and sisters have also gone through it.
True.
Understand.
True.
Some people are writing, things like, do you use it? I mean, things like,
oh, really?
I mean, I don't even know what to say. And, a lot of other actors have also done it. And I saw the comments, and, they're all complaining about the same thing, that what is wrong with the audience? Why? How can they even write it?
Yeah.
So I feel really bad for them. And, these kind of pictures are for them only to understand that guys grow up. I mean,
but
it's high time, wake up.
But Abhishek, I feel pity on them. उनकी सोच छोटी है.
Yeah.
But
देखो हम लोगों को
उन्होंने वही देखा अपने घर में. They have seen.
But वही तो change करना है. That is the challenge we are.
Right.
The point of that campaign was not the 90% people, was the 10% people.
10%.
90% लोगों को तो automatically समझ में आ गई है. वो जो 10% है उनको 10 से 9 करना है, 9 से 8 करना है. वो percentage कम करनी है.
लेकिन इतना easy नहीं है. Abhishek, it's not that easy.
See, good things take time. Good things take time. They take time.
Yeah.
कुछ भी चीज एकदम आसानी से नहीं होती है, ओवरनाइट नहीं होती है।
Yes.
उनके खुद के कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस होंगे, तो कई लोग अपना अपना तरीका है समझने का।
Yeah.
Some learn when they go through it. They
Yeah.
might not understand the other person's pain, but when it happens to them, they understand what
And also,
happens. So everybody has their own way.
And also, you'll be amazed what you're talking about fans. Even there are many females who would not support you. According to them, you doing this in public is wrong. Let me just tell you.
I noticed every comment on that post. There are about 1,400 comments on that post, and like I said, 90% were good. Females, I don't think एक दो ने कुछ अजीब लिखा होगा, but you know Instagram में समझ में नहीं आता कि फोटो डीपी देख के कोई लड़का लड़की है। बहुत लोग different प्रोफाइल भी लगाते हैं, कुछ किसी एक्टर की फोटो लगी होगी, कुछ होगा, so you don't get to know whether that's a guy writing or the girl writing. But I didn't categorize it through that, but I just read the comments and I was like, भाई ये तो अलग ही लेवल के पागल लोग हैं।
But you
मतलब क्या लिख रहे हैं?
You cannot change them. You simply can ignore them, and they should not.
We have to change. You know that is the challenge.
We have to change.
और अकेले से नहीं होगा, सबसे करेंगे, सभी करते हैं।
True, सबको मिलके करना
पड़ेगा। Change आया है। वो पहले 90 से 70% था, 70-30 था पहले रेशियो। अच्छा। बहुत चीजें अच्छी हुई हमारी कंट्री में। आप देखो लोगों की थिंकिंग प्रोग्रेसिव हो गई है। ऐसा नहीं है कि
NCR में सिर्फ चेंज हुआ है, ठीक है? If you go interiors, you will not believe.
वहाँ पर भी हुआ है, वहाँ पे भी चीजें चेंज हुई हैं, काफी चीजें चेंज हुई हैं। मैं पुरानी 20-30 इयर्स पुरानी बातें कर रहा हूँ, जो हम लोग अपने पास्ट में भी पढ़ते आ रहे हैं और हम लोग रीडिंग करते हैं और कुछ इवेंट्स के बारे में जानते हैं। अब ऐसी चीजें इतनी होती नहीं है। जो पहले इतने राइट्स, इतने कुछ, कितनी चीजें हर एक छोटी छोटी बात पे होता है, अब ऐसा नहीं होता है।
What are you talking? अभी थोड़े दिन दिल्ली में जो हुआ था, मैं फर्स्ट टाइम देख रही थी अपने लाइफ में।
होगा, चीजें होंगी। मैं परसेंटेज की बात कर रहा हूँ कि पहले अगर 10 में से 9 बार ही होता था, अब 10 में से 1 बार होता है।
हाँ, ये
2 बार होता है। वो चीजें चेंज, 10 से 0 नहीं होगा, वो टाइम लगेगा और बट वो चेंज आया वो।
And also I'm happy that serials like कुंडली भाग्य or any other serial people follow, जो नॉर्मल जनता होती है ना, वो अपनी लाइफ को रिलेट करना चाहती है। जैसे एक सीरियल होता था सास भी कभी बहू थी और घर घर की कहानी, समथिंग लाइक दैट।
वो भी कहानी कर बालाजी, एकता कपूर।
हाँ, राइट, हाँ। तो
उनका ब्रेन बहुत अमेजिंग है।
राइट, तो बहुत अच्छा ये है कि जब लोग कैरेक्टर से रिलेट करते हैं, they feel that it is they want to change their own life also. जैसे मैं कल किसी से बात कर रही थी, there was a renowned makeup artist who was there, and and she does all celebrities and who is who types, and वहाँ पे she said कि there are girls coming from the best of family of India, and लेकिन वहाँ they will have to look down. वो एक कल्चर रहता है ना कि घर की ब्राइड जो ब्राइड है उसको एक ऐसे देखना, आंखें शर्म से होनी चाहिए. she should not be looking in someone's eyes, very pacified, not so.
मैंने अपने आसपास तो ऐसे लोग नहीं देखे अभी.
This is what I'm saying. And someone going to that makeup artist that means they are they're financially quite well, and I'm sure highly educated.
Like I said, like I said कि कुछ ऐसे cases होंगे. हाँ. अब तो इंडिया बहुत प्रोग्रेस कर गया है बहुत चीजों के अंदर.
And they should come up with serials, where where the entire family, whoever is watching, should feel that they should be there. They can actually implement.
See, every serial which is happening right now, there will be a character who plays like that.
हाँ.
एक जिंदगी के अंदर अच्छे भी होंगे बुरे भी होंगे. अब सब तो अच्छे दिखा नहीं सकते, सब बुरे भी नहीं दिखा सकते. तो वो तो रियल लाइफ में भी और रियल लाइफ में होना ही है. कोई भी आपकी फैमिली में ले लो, अगर आप 15 लोग हैं, सब 15 के 15 अच्छे नहीं होते हैं.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली.
समझ रहे हो? तो वो चेंजेस आते हैं और इंसान बदलता भी है. अगर आज मैंने अपनी पास्ट में कोई गलतियां की, जरूरी नहीं कि मैं वही करता रहूंगा. हाँ. हम सबके लाइफ चेंजेस भी आने चाहिए. that will come only when you learn, when you get experience, when you understand the things.
Right. So जो फैंस अभी
अच्छे से लोग बुरे भी हो जाते हैं, बुरे से अच्छे भी हो जाते हैं. मैंने देखे कितने बदमाश लोग कितने अच्छे हो गए हैं. कितने जो स्कूल में गुंडागर्दी करते थे, अब जाके इतने अच्छे हो गए हैं. लोगों में बहुत ड्रास्टिक चेंज आता है यार. For the good and for the bad, for the worse. So I mean, कुछ फिक्स फॉर्मूला नहीं है. Like I said कि you're not the same every year, you're not the same every time. You change.
Yes, absolutely. And also, people cannot get hesitant. अगर 10 साल पहले आपकी मेरी लड़ाई हुई है, तो we should not feel that the grudge should not be there कि अब मैं बात करूंगी, we'll continue the same thing. You might become the best.
Again,
you
कुछ भी हमारी इंडस्ट्री का तो नॉर्म है कि देयर आर नो एनिमीज, परमानेंट एनिमीज और नो परमानेंट फ्रेंड्स हियर.
Friends, absolutely.
बट अब वो अगेन एक इंसिडेंट पे बात करता है कि क्या हुआ था उस टाइम पे, उस चीज ने आपकी जिंदगी में कितना इम्पैक्ट डाला था.
हाँ, right.
That whether you want to go back to that person again or not.
Not, yeah.
If it was an immature thing, तो बंदा बोलता है we laugh it off. But if it was something which is very demeaning and very wrong, it is very difficult to forgive
Then you want to steer it.
that.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Then you want to
और जब छोटे होते हो ना आप एज में, तो जो चीजों का इम्पैक्ट लगता है ना उस टाइम, वो बहुत ज्यादा होता है.
और धक्का लगता है.
अभी के टाइम में फिर बोलते कि यार let it go.
Let it go.
उस टाइम पे बोला how did it happen, and you yeah, so वो चीजें जब पास में होती हैं तो it really bothers you.
Right. I completely.
So वो चीजें आप भूलते नहीं हो.
So
But
Abhishek,
life moves on. Like, you have to move on.
you have to move on. Absolutely. Abhishek, it was lovely
Yeah.
having you here. And that was Abhishek Kapoor with us from Kundli Bhagya, who is playing Sameer in the show. You can watch him on ZEE5. Thank you so much for watching us, and keep watching us. Do subscribe our channel. Now we'll be coming up with some really hot and happening guests in our next episode. Till then, bye, take care.